What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Viewers, discretion is advised because most of this video you will be inside my mouth. My lips looking kind of crusty, I looking kind of rough, but nonetheless I felt like I should share this video with you guys so that in case you're wondering what this appointment is going to be like, you will get to see exactly what is done during this appointment. So the first thing she did was take out my my wires, and she also removed my tongue screen before she did the impression. Then she went ahead and put this wax over the brackets, and she put this thing, oh my gosh, I hate this thing. She put this thing in my mouth. I think it's called a tray. She put it in my mouth to see if it will fit. And for some reason it was touching the back of my mouth. The first time she did it, I was crying. You see, I skinning out my face because it was so painful in the back. It was pressing down someplace. So you see, I lashed her because I'm like, listen, you can't be doing this to me. This is a Saturday and she torturing me like this. So I'm like, y'all, no, not on the weekend. So, she said, okay, she went in a bag, she cut it, and then she tried again, and then it actually didn't hurt. Thank God. So now she's just going ahead and mixing the paste, and then she's putting it back into the tray, so that I will get an accurate impression of my teeth, so that the retainers could be created. Oh my goodness. Then when she put this thing in my mouth, I don't know, my heart started racing. I felt like I couldn't breathe. And she was like, breathe through your nose. But for some reason, I try and breathe through my mouth. And it just, oh my gosh, it was just the worst. But I was trying to relax, trying to calm myself down and be like, it's okay, Sharon. You just taking an impression. It's okay. Calm down. So then, I finally calmed down and I stayed still, and then she took it out, and this is how it looking. See, she got all my teeth, and this is what my mouth looking like without the tongue screen in. And then she's about to put the tongue screen in because I can't do without the tongue screen because my tongue has a brain of its own and it does whatever it wants to do, and I don't want it messing up my teeth again. So we have to make sure we keep that tongue screen in for the whole treatment. So she's just drying off my teeth, drying it off, and she put those things on the side so that my saliva doesn't wet the teeth again. Okay, and then we're back. Yeah, so I had to cut certain parts out of this because I was pretty much just sitting there for a little while waiting. Okay, so she's putting the tongue crib back in. It has some type of glue thing in there. She said it would taste nasty, but I didn't taste anything. And she said it will stick really fast. So she put it in, and then I think she told me to bite down, so I went ahead and I bite down so it goes all the way down. And then it had some excess. Whatever glue this thing is, it had some excess, so she went ahead and scraped it off, and then she used I don't know what these things called, but she used like a little grinding drill looking thing, and she scraped some of the glue from the top also. So right here, she's just about to dry it using the light. Okay, so you'll notice one of my brackets came off, but it's okay because it's in between all the other teeth, so it won't move. Once the wire is in, it won't move at all. So we didn't bother to re-stick it. It'll just stay still. Because after this, she goes ahead and she puts the ligature ties, and the ligature ties are really tight and they tie all of the teeth together, and you will see that in a few. Okay, here we go. She's putting on the ligature ties, and as you can see, she's just connecting all the brackets together. Doing this really tightly. After this adjustment, my braces was so tight. I couldn't chew on anything. My mouth was still sore. I think today my mouth is still sore, and this happened on Saturday, and today is Tuesday, and my mouth is still pretty sore. Still. So, yeah, these are really tight. Oh, and right here, I pretty much was telling her that it has some little hook or something that's in there. That's like, you know, like when you feel like food stuck between your teeth, you'll take your tongue and like pass your tongue on the front of your teeth. But every time I do this, what the little hook that's in between my teeth right there, it like latches onto my tongue and it hurts like crazy. So I was telling her she need to like hide it somewhere, tuck it someplace where it's not going to be ripping my tongue apart. So yeah, so she fixed it, and now she's just removing the excess wax that kind of got stuck on the brackets. She's taking that out. Okay, and I'm still wearing the elastics the same way I'm wearing them in the last braces update. The only difference is now the side that's still open, she advised me to wear an elastic in a square. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.